In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently handle customer support requests using Perplexity to streamline your responses and guides. If you're looking to provide top-notch customer service, this tool is perfect for drafting precise and professional responses. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to Perplexity AI. Once there, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, setting one up is straightforward and quick. But for now, let's assume you're already in. Now, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed on the homepage. This is where you'll type out your customer support request. For example, if you need to draft a polite reply to a customer asking for a refund, simply type that instruction into the search bar. Alternatively, if you're facing issues like login troubleshooting, type that request in directly. The idea here is to be specific about what you're trying to achieve. Including specific details in your request will notably enhance the quality of the response you get. If the issue is particularly customer-centric, be sure to mention their primary concern or question in detail. Pair this with any pertinent product or service information that the customer might need. It's also beneficial to specify your preferred tone. Do you want the response to sound formal, friendly, or perhaps apologetic? Being clear about these preferences helps tailor the generated content to your specific needs. Once you've drafted your request and hit enter, Perplexity will generate a response for you. Review this response thoroughly to ensure it aligns with your organization's standards and meets the specific situation of your customer. This might be a draft for a refund request or a detailed troubleshooting guide, depending on what you entered. If the generated content needs a bit of tweaking, this is where Perplexity truly shines. Use follow-up prompts to refine the response. For instance, you can ask it to make the response sound warmer and more empathetic. Or if you're creating a guide, request step-by-step troubleshooting instructions to be added. This iterative approach allows for precise modifications, ensuring the end result is perfectly suited to your purposes. Finally, once you're satisfied with the response or the guide Perplexity has helped you craft, it's time to copy or save the final version. You can then send it directly to the customer or add it to your knowledge base for future reference. Having a well-documented response or guide not only improves customer satisfaction, but also enhances your team's efficiency in handling similar requests moving forward. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive process for using Perplexity to handle customer support requests effectively. I hope you find this approach as useful as countless others have in elevating their customer service experience. Thanks for tuning in and happy supporting.